What's up, everybody? We're in some part of Merida City. I can't pronounce the name. It has an X, a C, a whole bunch of different letters that shouldn't be together without any vowels. You know, it is with these Mayan names. I'll put the name below. But we are here today at what is called the Chicharra Festival, Festival de la Chicharra. So before I go in, I'll explain to you guys, because you know it's super noisy in there always, all these festivals. And yeah, I know I said I wouldn't do any more festivals, but this one was like 20 minutes from my house, so I figured what the heck. So yeah, the chicharra, it's like pork rinds, or as we call it in Spanish, chicharron, except instead of just the pork skin deep fried, this is the pork skin, pork belly, other parts of the pork, including organs. They're all deep fried, and that's what they like eating here. They eat it with tortillas, put your pico de gallo on top, you eat it like a taco. Real delicious. So we're gonna walk in and see what all we can find. Let's go. While we start heading in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos in Mexico and the Yucatan. So here we are at the entrance. We've got the famous six. Everybody buying their ice cold beers because it is hot like usual. It's 36 degrees today. Super hot. They got tents all over the place. That way people don't have to be in the hot sun. It encourages people to come out more, right? So let's take a quick walk in and see. We've got one of the chicharronerias here. See that? There's a whole bunch on this street here. That's why they're doing it on this street. Look at that. Another one here, and look at long lines already of people. That's how much people like the chicharra here in Mexico. You got your tables to sit on and you can eat, and they've also got other yummy treats on sale. You got your desserts here and the frappes. Look at the lines. That's the line for the chicharra restaurant, all the way back there. That is crazy. That's how much people like it. Here they're selling their chicharra as well. See, that's what it is. Take a quick look so you can see what it is. See, there you got the skin, you've got the meat, all different types of stuff. And you got a nice long line here also of people waiting. You got your chicharra, 350 pesos for the kilo. If you want a salad with it, 15 pesos extra. Or if you want a tomato sauce, 15 extra. We're gonna keep on walking, keep on exploring. There's like micheladas over there. And pretty much everybody's selling something here. You got your ice cold drinks there, ice to keep it cold. And we keep on going. More people selling micheladas, because like I've said many times before, the beauty of these festivals and stuff in Mexico, you can walk along here and you can drink. It's not a problem, as long as you don't get drunk or make any trouble. So we have Super Willie's team over there. This booth here is empty. I guess nobody showed up for it, or they're not here yet, because this just started about half an hour ago. I came early because I got another event to film tonight, but lots of families out enjoying their delicious chicharra, and we're going to try some at some point, but all these places have such long lines, we might not be able to get, or who knows when. Look at that. So continue, look, there's a line here again, starting there, goes all the way to the chicharroneria right over here, which is El Roble. Lots of music here, so we gotta get out of here real quick. Look at that. Long lines, lots of people enjoying their delicious food. Real cool. And is this the end? I'm not sure. I think it turns. Looks like it turns over here. Let's take a quick look. Having live presentations over there. They had some earlier, but they're currently on break. And yeah, it continues here at the street. Look at that. More tents to stay cool. More chicharronerias. This one, this place is selling botanas. It's a chicharron, but this is the floury kind. It's the snack kind, right? But look here, they got a long line for this chicharroneria right here. That's also selling. Look at that. Look how many they have ready for today. Look, here they sell. Oh wow, here they make tortas and tacos out of the chicharra, and also from morcilla, which is blood sausage. That's cool. That's delicious. Might have to give that a try. But there's long lines, so holy cow! Look, another one here. Long lines as well. Everybody is buying their delicious chicharra today. At some point, I'll find a way to get into one of the lines and get you some. Here, we got another line. Not as long, and look, they got their salsas, they got their salads for it. They got the pork there itself. Look at that. Look how they cut it into it. Look at that. Yummy. That is delicious. Let's go to the next side so we can see better, because there's some paper there where you can't see, right? And look, there's another one here and another long line. Let's just take a quick look at that. Look at that. Look how delicious. If you love pork, you love meat, this is the festival for you. Look at that. Yummy. That looks so good. Definitely the festival for me. Oh man, my cholesterol level is gonna be through the roof after this. Hopefully y'all can hear me because it's super loud. Like all festivals here in Mexico. Gracias, ¿qué es? Ah, son crema de tres chiles. Wow. So they're selling different sauces here. They're like creams. Contains 3 different peppers: habanero, serrano, and ishkatik. Wow, looks delicious. They gave us a little sample, so let's give it a try. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Gave us a little pack here. That's a great marketing idea. Let's give it a try. Got basket on my mouth and let's taste it. Not bad. Actually, I like it. A little spicy. It's not too spicy. Very creamy. It's very sour, bitterishy. Not sweet at all, which is good because I hate those sweet hot sauces. But I like it. That is definitely delicious. So, if you're in Merida and you want to try it yourself, here's a card. Here's their information. If you can't see it, just let me know in the comments and I'll post information for you. I'll save the business card. So they got people from other chicharronerias giving out free samples of pork rinds, pork skin. Not bad. I'm here waiting in line still. Almost to the front.
Venga, Shepanami va a tocar SWAT. Poesía de las flores, carachero. Big man shot, yo!
Vibrando.
Giovanni Teresa.
Alrighty, so I got it here. It cost the chicharra 350 pesos for the kilo. That's 18 US. I got half a kilo, which is 9 US, to give you a little bit of everything. I've been looking for a place to sit for quite some time now, and you can't find because there's just so many people. So I finally found this little spot on this table, and we're going to give this a quick try. See, claro. I'm not going to eat it all here. I just taste it, and then we're going to head home because it's super hot. It's super busy here. Just taking advantage. Quick look at that. Some skin. It's a little tough, really greasy, but really good. To go with it, we got ourselves an ice cold superior. Help wash it down, right? That is good. See what else we have here to try out. It's like some type of organs or something. It's really good. Look at that. So good. Deep fried, so greasy. So I couldn't find where they were selling tortillas for it, but that's fine. I enjoy this just like this. Here we got, look at that, you got the more organs here. So good. Wow. That is delicious. 100% recommended. Be sure to try chicharra. We're gonna call it in other parts of Mexico chicharron. Same thing. Here in Yucatán called chicharra. Be sure to try it if you're ever around. These are all fat. And good thing I got the beer because all the grease does make you thirsty. That's about it. I'm gonna enjoy a few bites there, and then I'm gonna head home because I got some more stuff to do later today. Another video for you all to see, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next adventure.